Hi, this is PR Sundar. Welcome to Pre-Market Report sponsored by taxbuddy.com, a leading tax filing portal in India. So yesterday, what a fantastic market in US, and Dow and S&P 500 both rallied about 2%. And Nasdaq 100 rallied about 3%. And yesterday, everybody was expecting, day before yesterday in US markets, the markets were higher, when Microsoft result came, very good, and then market rallied. That rally was sold into at some point of time. Similarly, yesterday the people were expecting some kind of a selling at higher level, Meta platform, that is Facebook, came out with a good result. So technology stocks started rallying and people heavily shorted at the higher level, and then those people had to cover their shorts further, and the markets rallied much beyond the expectation. And markets, always bottom out when all the big people think it is turned bearish. I just remember yesterday morning some foreign bank announcing that even a slight indication of a US economic recession, stocks are likely to fall about 15%. And then yesterday shot up 2 to 3%. So most of the time these foreign banks, that the big banks, their predictions have always gone wrong. So anyway, their prediction is not about the short term, it's about the long term. So we will wait and see. The one day reaction may not be the correct answer to their prediction. So Asian markets everything is in very, very green, and somehow, in a normal market conditions, we always preempt the world markets, both on the higher side as well as on the lower side. So though global cues were not really very good for the last few days, we moved continuously higher. Now you can see global cues are also looking good, and therefore SGX Nifty indicating about 40-50 point gap up, and now it seems that yesterday itself the May future closed above 18,000, not the April future. But today even the spot may cross 18,000. So now the 17,800 has been crossed decisively. Why 17,800 was very, very important? That's because from December to April, and Nifty fell about 2,000 point and recovered about 1,000 point. So that is a 50% Fibonacci retracement. So 50% retracement is considered to be a good resistance, and now that is crossed decisively. So our next target is 18,100 followed by 18,500. So for the month of May, I am expecting Nifty to trade between 17,400 on the downside and 18,500 on the upside. So accordingly, I am planning to take some positions, and then if things go wrong, I might change my strategy. So anyway, I am planning to stop trading in Indian markets. So I may not even execute this trade. So I would put it this way: if I am supposed to trade, then I would be trading this strategy. So corporate result seems to be good. Axis Bank result was in fact I would say extremely good, and of course on the face of it they have declared a loss of about 5,700 crore. But that is not the real picture. So they bought the Citibank's India consumer business. So that is shown as expense. So therefore, they are showing a loss of 5,000. If you remove that Citigroup purchase, their actual profit is more than 6,600 crores, and which was much higher than last time. So in fact, among the private sector banks, ICICI Bank and Axis Bank both have been declaring very good results for the past few quarters, and both stocks are moving nicely compared to other banking stocks. And of course, there are few more companies that will be declaring their results today and tomorrow. And very important one is the Kotak Bank. And Kotak Bank, there was a news that their weightage may be increased in MSCI index, and because of that, Kotak Bank share shot up from 1600 to 1900, I think in a matter of 1 month. And now it is trading at the upper end of the trading range. But remember, for the last few quarters, Kotak Bank results were not really very impressive. So this time we have to see. And anyway, Kotak Bank will have a strong resistance around 2000. So here and there are some smaller banks also, results are there. And the key companies all have come out with the results already. So from now we can expect only mid caps and small caps, and then of course PSU banks will come later, and so on. So the impact of result season probably is over. And April month was a fantastic month, and there were 3 months in last 1 year. Last year October, last year November, and this year April. So in all these three series, Nifty moved somewhere between 800 to 1000 points. So a fantastic rally. What happened last September, October? So October there was a rally of about 900 points, and then November, the following month, once again there was a rally of about 800 points. In just 2 months, Nifty shot up 1700 points. But now, April month, Nifty has moved significantly. I think March series closed around 17,000, I think. So we closed around 17,900. So 900 point rally, exactly same as last year October. Now, this May is going to be exactly like November. And if that is the case, all-time high is within the striking distance. Let us see. So more analysis we will do during the weekend. Now Friday is a very light trading day because the expiry is over, the positions all closed, and now we won't be taking positions aggressively. So we will go very, very slow. So keep watching Reliance and HDFC Group. First of all, HDFC Group is bound to do well when FIIs are continuous buyers, and now FIIs have turned buyers. Resistance has been crossed. Now the market is clearly buy and dip market. So any intraday fall of about 80 to 100 points, one can consider selling put options below 17,400. So that is the strategy right now. But I do not know whether the markets will give any dip. FIIs are buying aggressively. The domestic institutions are also not booking profit significantly. So yesterday, both of them were net buyers. So anyway, the market is market. Nobody can predict, and suddenly the correction may come. So there is no point in chasing when the market is trading around 18,000. So any intraday dip of more than 80 to 100 points. So that is the time to take some sell put options. And call options, I will wait because I'm worried about something like last November. So I will wait until FIIs turn net sellers. So that's it for now. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. Thank you for watching.